Welcome back to the table. Let's immerse our senses in a 16th century art form of preservation. Long before the modern dry potpourri, there was a slow process to capture the essence of flowering blooms and enjoy its beautiful gift of fragrance for decades. This is what I am sharing with you, gentle hearts, today. The Florentine Moist Potpourri method. In a fast-moving world, pausing to practice a heritage craft like this is a quiet return to harmony, a way to anchor ourselves in a slower, more intentional rhythm. While this method belongs in the old world, a beautiful balance can exist between old traditions and our modern life. The digital platform that led you to this video allows us to preserve these forgotten arts, ensuring they are recorded and cherished for generations to come. The heritage-rich detail of this process, along with a full recipe, has been carefully captured in a simple companion guide. This is a free gift to you once you step inside this studio ledger. I invite you to tap the link in my profile and view through the gilded lens. Until next time, keep looking for the beauty that surrounds you.